Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm back with a new video and I have a new wig from Beauty Forever. If you guys are interested, I'll be sure to link all the details and links in the info section below. So here's everything that I received with my wig, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I picked up this 13 by 4 inch pre-everything lace frontal wig. It has the pre-bleached knots, the pre-cut lace, the pre-plucked hairline. Y'all, no work needs to be done. This is definitely a beginner-friendly unit. So my wig is 24 inches long. It's in that gorgeous kinky curly texture, and it has the lace ear tape already attached. So therefore, you guys can go ahead and install your unit. Now, I am going to remove these tape strips in the meantime, just because I do want to do like a little wash and go on this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. You guys can see exactly how easily they come off, and you guys, there's no residue or anything like that left over. There's no damage done to the lace. So I'm going in with my Shea Moisture conditioner. I'm going to apply that all over the hair and just do a simple co-wash. This unit really doesn't need to be shampooed or anything like that. I did get a little bit of frizz, but nothing too crazy. I just wanted to do like a cute little wash and go and see how it looks. Now I'm going in with this sea moss slime. Like, I will leave what it is in the info section below because I just cannot think on top of my head right now. But I'm going to apply that all over the hair, and this is what's going to give you that nice fresh wash and go look. It's going to bring some shine to the unit. It's going to help clump those curls together. You guys, look at that. Looks gorgeous, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and just prep the perimeter of the wig just to where it looks nice and laid and is ready to put on and go. So I'm using a little bit of my gel, applying that all over the perimeter of the hairline. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush that back, then apply my elastic edge band just to get that to set in place. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to apply a little bit more water and clump and cluster these curls together, giving it a nice natural wash and go appearance. So I let the wig sit in air dry. It took about 2 days to fully air dry, and it did develop a cast pretty much because of the slime that I applied to the hair. So you're just going to want to just brush your fingers through it, kind of crunch the hair together to break off that cast. This is what the perimeter of the hairline looks like. You guys do notice that the lace is a little too light for my skin tone. So I like to go on with using a little bit of liquid foundation and apply that all over the lace so we can get a nice even melt. Gonna throw on a stocking cap and then go ahead and get this wig on. You guys are gonna see how easily and effortlessly this wig comes together. It literally took me a few seconds to put this wig on and you're pretty much ready to go. I am going to fix it up just to my liking. You guys do notice that the ear tab tapes aren't installed, so I'm going to go ahead and install those now. You guys can see how easy it is. Now, if I will give you guys a suggestion, if you're going to use these ear tapes, make sure that you have clean lace, meaning no foundation, no powder on your lace. It'll help with the integrity of the actual tape, because I did find that my tape didn't really last very long. You can get about 7 days with this tape, but because I put foundation on it, I think the oils in the foundation just kind of broke down the integrity of the tape. So you do want to keep that in mind. However, it is going to stick, so you can get about a few hours of wear with the tape if you do decide to apply a little bit of foundation or powder to your lace. So this is what the wig is looking like. I'm just gonna brush my fingers through it, kind of break apart some of those curls. Now I wanted to cut a few little layers just to where the hair frames my face. I applied a little bit of my Got to Be Glued. Gonna go ahead and blow dry that and then just go ahead and play around with it. I'm gonna bring some of the baby hairs forward just to kind of give it a nice polished look, and here you have it. this is what this wig is looking like. You guys can see how it has that fresh wash and go appearance. I wish my wash and goes looked this good. You know, I'm still trying to perfect it on my own natural hair, but what better way but to just practice on an actual wig. But once again, this is what this wig looks like. It's super bouncy, you guys. The hair is soft. I know I put that slime on it. Once you break that cast off, you guys are going to realize how soft the hair is, how shiny it is, just how natural those knots look. Knots where? Show me one knot. You guys can see how natural these bleached knots look and how you're going to get a very natural appearance. So I did want to kind of throw this wig into a quick little style, just because I'm always looking for ways to wear my wigs, like if I'm going to church or if I'm just running errands. And I love my little clip, so I just clip up the back. This is perfect for summer months. You can have the hair up off of your neck, not going to worry about it being too hot. But for the most part, the hair is perfectly gorgeous exactly how it is. So now I'm going in with the white tooth comb, and I'm just going to create some volume. And y'all, here you go. This is the look. Do this right here. I wish I would have done this in the beginning of the video. But this is the look right here. I love this big curly natural wash and go look. It is just giving me all sorts of naturality. It's giving me, you know, I grew this hair myself and I did this wash and go on my natural hair. But it is definitely a charmer. So you guys definitely check out Beauty Forever. I will have all the links and details located in the info section below. You guys get into this hair. It's definitely going to be in rotation. So once again, you guys check out Beauty Forever. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.